Hallo, wieder ein Beispiel aus der Geschichte lernen, die Zukunft zu meistern. The Imperial Cathedral, the largest preserved Romanesque church in Europe, a symbol of imperial power. About 1020, Emperor Conrad II started construction of the biggest church of his era in red sandstone. The clan of Salians chose the cathedral as their burial site. Today it is the final resting place for 8 Salians, Staufer and Habsburg emperors and kings, 4 queens and a series of bishops. Around 1090 the Emperor Henry IV enlarged the cathedral. Destruction proceeded 1686 during the Palatinate War and Succession. In the 18th century, reconstructions were performed. The Bavarian King Ludwig I allowed the interior to be painted in the late Nazarene style. In the following area, architecture 1748 to 1772, the building was partly restored. The Romanesque nave was reconstructed. 1858, the meanwhile baroque westwork was replaced by a neo-romanesque one. The architect of Historism, Heinrich Hübsch, designed the facade of the westwork, including a row of statues. The development of Romanticism and German nationalism. The alterations of the 19th century were not the smallest. The crypt from 1041 is the oldest component of the cathedral. In summary, this church has greatly influenced Romanesque architecture in the 11th and 12th century. The mighty building consisting of the nave and transept with 4 towers in a symmetrical design inspired many other important churches.